let's talk about our New Year's resolutions, because if one of your resolutions was to eat healthier in the new year, we've got you covered. Okay, Miss Organized Tracy Pay, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
And she's here. She's going to teach us some really easy hacks in the kitchen to help us with our goal. And we're going to start with packing a lunch.
Yes.
It is so important.
It really is, because if you want to cut down on fast food, you have to substitute it, right? So if you want to pack your lunch, you got to make it easy for you to pack your lunch.
Okay.
So one of the things I recommend you do is you create a lunch zone.
Oh,
so
what is
everything that you would be related to packing lunch, paper, napkins, utensils,
Okay.
are all in one spot. So when it comes time to prepare it, you could just grab and go.
Okay.
And then I also recommend, get yourself a nice lunch bag. Something that's big enough to carry water bottles and, maybe some Tupperware, but something that's nice and easy to carry. This, if you just put it right over my shoulder like that,
and it's
make
pretty.
it easy.
It's actually pretty.
It's pretty, and so it encourages me to want to use it because
Yes.
I don't feel, it's pretty.
Okay.
And then of course you want to have your ice packs in there. But water, listen, how important is water? Okay.
So important.
It's so important. And I love stainless steel bottles because it keeps it cold all day long.
So you prefer the stainless steel over like the plastics?
Absolutely.
And okay.
I've tried them all, and
Okay.
I'm telling you, and this makes me drink more water because it stays cold throughout the day, and you can just easily put it in your nice lunch
So
bag.
pack a lunch, you've got your water, stainless steel,
Yeah.
ice packs. Okay. Okay, I'm keeping up
And
because I want to know.
also another zone you can create in your kitchen is like a supplement and smoothie zone. I love setting that up for my clients.
yes.
Every time I do, they just start having more smoothies and taking more supplements.
So basically, it's just easier because you're putting
it's easier because it's all in one spot. And you're not running around your kitchen getting distracted.
Got it. Okay, so when you go grocery shopping,
Yeah.
oh, that's where I kind of
That's
lose
my least
my
favorite
discipline.
thing.
Okay,
Least favorite thing.
talk to me about
Okay,
that.
so first of all, you have to have a grocery list, right? If you walk into a grocery store without a list, you're kind of, you're going to wind up overbuying. So
Yes.
one thing you could do is you can just have a dry erase board, just stick it up on your fridge.
Okay.
When you run out of something, you just write it down. Or if you really want to get OCD with it, you can. I have OCD, that's why I can say it. But you can use the Grocery IQ app. So there's an app called Grocery IQ, and you can create a grocery list, and every time you need something, you just go check. Check, and then it creates a
No.
list for you. You can print it out, all that good stuff.
Yeah. Grocery IQ. Okay,
Grocery
got
IQ.
it.
And if you want to, I personally don't like shopping for my actual groceries, so I use Amazon Fresh, and I have it delivered right to my door. And it's usually the next day.
So you don't even have to leave home.
I don't even have to leave home, which is fabulous.
My goodness, that sounds nice. Okay, okay. Now take us back home. Let's talk about the fridge.
Yeah, the fridge can get a little nasty sometimes. And and you have so much stuff in there, and it's you're moving everything around and all the time. It can get really difficult to find what you need. So
Okay.
if you get some organizing bins for your fridge, these two are from the Container Store.
Okay.
So like this particular one, I use this for everything that I would use to make a salad. Boom, goes in one thing. Right?
Okay, so it's like creating zones even in your fridge.
Right, zones within zones.
Okay, I like it. Okay, but you say get containers, right?
Yes,
That'll make
get
it
containers.
easier.
And here's another little trick. Going back to this guy over here, something I do to get my clients' kids to start eating healthier is you put a bowl of fruit, and you make it easy for them to grab.
Yes.
And next thing you know, they're going to be like, and start eating it.
Through the kitchen,
Yeah,
right?
yes.
I like it. So you can put that on the table.
Put it on the
counter.
table, just make it easy for them to grab.
I like it.
that way you can get your kids involved.
These are great. I like this because oftentimes you open your fridge and everything's just kind of scattered.
A mess. It's a mess. And it makes it look, it kind of gives it that kind of like Martha Stewart, kind of Rachel Ray, like I'm a cook in my kitchen
Yes.
kind of feel.
Yes.
Oh, and here's another thing I wanted to show you. This is my new best friend. This is a rolling cart. I live 3 stories up, and I have to take an elevator.
Okay.
So I have my new best friend here, a rolling cart, also from Container Store, and I just put all my groceries in there. Not only that, but all the bags that I usually have to carry every day to, work with my
Yes.
clients, just go in there and just.
So when you actually leave home and you're not ordering your groceries online, then this is very helpful.
Yes, I do leave my home. Yes.
Well, thank you very much. Thank you for the
thank you.
tips as always.
Of course.
All right, Raul, we will send it back to you.